Welcome to a true modern masterpiece. Today, we're embarking on an exclusive cinematic walkthrough of a stunning Mediterranean residence that, honestly, completely redefines coastal luxury. Let's dive right in and immerse ourselves in this brilliant showcase of contemporary architecture and design.
Let's start our journey from above, shall we? You can really get a sense of the sheer grand scale of this exclusive estate basking under the glorious Mediterranean sun. The crisp white lines of the contemporary architecture contrast so beautifully with those lush, rolling green hills. Valued at €1,890,000, it commands its position perfectly, offering a profound sense of community alongside absolute, undisturbed privacy.
As we actually approach the property, a bold expression of modern design comes into view. You've got these towering palm trees standing like sentinels framing the entrance, right alongside tranquil water features. The design masterfully uses varying textures, from smooth glass and white render to textured stone accents. These thoughtfully landscaped gardens instantly set a tone of complete serenity.
Stepping inside now, this spectacular exterior seamlessly gives way to this expansive open-plan living room situated within over 418 square meters of meticulously designed space. To put that into perspective, the sheer volume is just magnified by these sun-drenched double-height ceilings. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors flood the whole space with natural light, naturally drawing your eyes straight through to the private terraces outside.
From this angle, you can really appreciate how the elegant glass staircase acts as a focal point. Its transparent balustrades are such a brilliant design choice, ensuring sightlines remain completely unbroken, so you maintain that wonderful feeling of spaciousness. Every single bespoke finish has been deliberately curated to frame the outdoor sanctuary, effortlessly blurring the line between inside and out.
Just adjacent, we've got the elegant dining area. Notice the soft, natural textures here. The subtle curves of the inviting dining chairs, the sleek, rounded table, and that really tasteful modern art. This is a setting crafted purely for versatility. It adapts effortlessly, whether you're hosting an intimate evening gathering or a vibrant, sunlit daytime lunch.
And seamlessly connected to that dining space is this absolutely state-of-the-art kitchen. Top-tier appliances are cleverly concealed within sleek white cabinetry, beautifully offset by warm, bespoke wooden accents. Because of the sliding doors opening directly onto the alfresco dining spaces, you can easily prepare a fantastic meal while staying entirely connected to that lovely Mediterranean breeze outside.
Moving away from the main entertaining areas for a moment, we find this incredibly serene, dedicated study. Bathed in inspiring natural light, it offers such a peaceful retreat for focused work. The lush indoor greenery and the organic curves of the wooden desk bring a deep sense of calm. It really proves this residence is perfectly designed for balanced, everyday living.
All right, let's head into the private quarters. This is the first of 4 magnificent ensuite bedrooms, and it serves as the ultimate luxurious retreat. The focal point is unquestionably that striking blue velvet headboard, adding just the right touch of tactile glamour. Complete with a generous dressing area and direct access to the terrace, waking up here and stepping straight out into the morning sun is, well, quite spectacular.
Moving into the second bedroom, it's all about those vast edge-to-edge windows. They completely transform the space. They don't just let the light in, they invite tranquil, sweeping views of the rolling green hills directly inside. It acts almost like a living piece of art. And the soft, neutral tones of the bedding perfectly complement, rather than compete with, that breathtaking natural canvas right outside.
And here in the remarkably serene third bedroom, you really see the residency's unwavering commitment to aesthetic detail. The minimalist decor, with clean vertical lines on the accent wall and beautifully understated furnishings, creates an environment entirely dedicated to rest. And once again, that abundant natural light is absolutely the star of the show.
Now, a true luxury residence is defined by its private sanctuaries, right? And this master bathroom, which is one of 5 immaculate baths in the home, by the way, delivers a palpable spa-like atmosphere. Warm, sensory wood textures contrast beautifully with the pristine white double sinks. And naturally, the centerpiece is that incredibly inviting sculptural freestanding tub.